In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enter a trade on FX Replay during your backtesting session. So first of all, what you want to do is obviously I've created your session on FX Replay and then have your chart open. And then once you are ready to place a trade, let's say for example that I want to go short right here, I will go ahead, get my short tool, put my short tool where I want it, and then enter in your take profit, stop loss, everything like that. So for example, if I just wanted it like this, what I would do then is I would click on the risk to reward tool just to highlight it, and then I will come to the top left right here, click on place order, and then what you want to do now is enter in obviously your risk parameters, so 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever you want to risk, and then obviously you can go down to type, and then you can click on the drop down menu, and you can choose whether it's a limit, a market, or a stop order. So for me, on this example right here, I will just click on market execution, click on save, and then as you can see, it will confirm that you have entered a position just by bringing up these lines right here. And then what you can do then is you can start playing price forward. And then as you will notice, obviously I am now within this trade and you will see the price fluctuating on the right hand side. So let's just see if it goes and hits take profit. As you can see, we've come down, and then what you will notice is if we pull this up right here, go to close positions, as you can see, our trade is right there under close position. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.